Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are first year Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Engineering students from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under Project Based Learning 2, I, Rajesh Kaire and my team members Prathamesh Padtare, Shivam Patil, Shravani Mane and Mitali Kamble have completed a project on self-sanitized vehicle under the guidance of Vikas sir. One objective of our project is to carry out sanitization process more efficiently with the use of artificial intelligence. Now, let's have a look to the PPT which will give us a brief knowledge about what our project exactly is. The project basically deals with the problem of sanitization process which is carried out in order to maintain hygiene and as a safety precaution from the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. So, in order to tackle this problem, we have developed a system which will automatically sanitize a particular place with the help of AI technology. Hence, this system will be useful and benefit the following sectors. Now, let's move on to the working part of the system. So, as you can see, we have made the circuit with the help of wires, relay, battery supply, PIR sensor and timer. The PIR sensor is used to sense motion. Here, when an obstacle is in front of the sensor, it stops functioning, and as and when there is no obstacle, it is triggered and the sanitization is carried out. Remote is also given for the process in case of manual adjustment. Now, as you all can see, when we place our hand in front of the sensor, the UV bulbs do not lights up, and as soon as the obstacle is removed, it starts functioning. Therefore, this type of circuits or self-sanitized system is beneficial and efficient. To show the same, we have used the example of a vehicle wherein there is no obstacle and the sanitization process is carried out. This system will be useful in many other places such as hotels, hospitals, public places, government institutions, etc. Thank you.